Look no further than the 2023 Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, keyless start, V6 cylinder engine, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.